What's up guys, Revenge here, and today I'm just going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to get Eclipse. I'm hopefully going to be going into more in-depth tutorials and continue this series and go into the basics of RSBuddy scripting, the basics of Java methods, what classes are, and maybe work our way up to more intermediate level scripting. But first of all, we're just going to start with the very basics and get Eclipse today. There are other IDEs that you can be scripting with, but I personally choose Eclipse and I use Eclipse, and so I'll show you how to get Eclipse because that's what I'm going to be using. So you're going to go ahead and go to Eclipse /downloads. I'll put a link in the description to the Eclipse download website. You're going to get this, the Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. And then you're just going to choose whether or not your Windows is 32 or 64-bit. If you don't know that, you can just go in your control panel, system, and mine is a 64-bit right here in the system part of your control panel. So mine's a 64-bit operating system, so I would download this. Then you're just going to click on the United States. This is just where it's going to be downloading from. You can download from BitTorrent or whatever, but just the mirrors. But this is this is with the download page for it. Once it's downloading, you're going to get a RAR file or a zip file. Whatever it is. Where is this? Right here. You're gonna get a zip file containing what Eclipse is. Just extract it to anywhere you want it. I extracted it to here and moved it to my desktop. So extract the file, and then you're gonna get this. Just to open it, you're gonna go to the actual application. This is Eclipse, and when you open it, you're gonna get something like this. Okay, you're not gonna have all these here. You're gonna have something called Hello World, which is the default. I've since deleted that, but that's because it's totally useless. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is create a new Java project, which you can just go to File, New. I can never click on it. Computer's being laggy, sorry. Java project. You can name the project whatever you want, but I named mine RSBuddy because that's what it is. It's a project RSBuddy. That's where I store all my RSBuddy scripting. All these settings are correct. You're gonna want Java SE 1.6. You're gonna want to create separate folders. Everything else should be unchecked. So project name should be RSBuddy. I already have a project name RSBuddy. Okay, so you're gonna want to hit. So just for the sake of the tutorial, I'll make mine LOL because I've already made an RSBuddy. And you're gonna hit finish. Okay, so yours is gonna be called RSBuddy here, but yeah, you can. Okay, I'm bring the website. Oh, I deleted it. Oh, this is not going well. Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, so you have this project called. For you, it's gonna be RSBuddy. For me, it's LOL because it doesn't really matter the name. You're gonna right click and you go to properties. Right here, you're gonna go to Java build path, and you're gonna add external jars. All this is doing is adding your RSBuddy jar so that you can start taking all the methods from RSBuddy. So you're gonna find your RSBuddy wherever it's located, your download. If you don't have it, download it. Your jar file for RSBuddy. It's what you'd click on to open it. Make sure it doesn't say like 1.0.4 the version or whatever. Make sure it just says RSBuddy. That's just the easiest way to do it. You don't have to keep updating it. So you're gonna double click on that. You're gonna open it, and then hit OK. And now I'm not gonna hit OK because I already have a RSBuddy here. But now you have RSBuddy ready to be used per se. I'm just gonna delete it. Okay. So now you have this without these. Now you have an RSBuddy folder that's ready to be used for RSBuddy. Scripting. You're just going to want to go to New. I would do it right here on the SRC. New class. You want to name your class what we're going to be naming the script. I think the first script's going to be a power miner. So you're going to want your superclass to be com.rsbuddy.active script, with the A being capital and the S being capital in active script. Nothing else. You're going to want to make sure that everything else is just like this, and that you inherit abstract methods. That way you can call upon the methods in your script from your superclass. Okay, so we made a class called PowerMiner, and it inherits the com.rsbuddy.active script. So you're going to start out with something like this. This is very much correct, and I'm going to put a link in the description to just this, but with the script manifest already made and imported, and the start, on finish, and just the very basic things with everything all filled out, and it's gonna just a skeleton for our power miner. And on our next tutorial, we're gonna go over what all this means, why we imported this, why we have this class, what public means in later tutorials. I think our next tutorial we're going to go over imports and probably methods and classes, because it's just something that you need to understand for RSBuddy scripting or JavaScripting in general. Okay, so now you're all set to create any kind of scripts for RSBuddy. Another thing I'm going to put the link in the description is something that you really should have. I have it saved right here. This. It's the Java doc for RSBuddy, and what it is, it's giving you all the classes and all the methods that you will be using to code while you're coding in RSBuddy, or coding for RSBuddy. This is your key to scripting for RSBuddy, and you should use this at all times. A lot of questions can be easily answered just by looking on this by beginners and how to start scripting, so you really want to use this. Eclipse luckily imports, we'll get these automatically, not imports them automatically, but we'll have these automatically. So I could just write game dot, here I'll give an example. I could just simply write game dot, or we'll do something simple, inventory dot is full. And the script now understands that I'm talking about the inventory for RSBuddy, and I can simply just import inventory is full as a class and method. We're going to go over that much more in depth on our next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comments always help. If you need any help, RSBuddy name's Revenge. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next tutorial. Alright, bye.